Good morning, everyone. Hope y'all are having a great day so far. It's Tuesday morning, about 20 after 10 here in Nebraska. Gonna be a pretty warm day from the looks of it. It's already 70, about 70 degrees, 71, somewhere in there. It's supposed to get up into the upper to mid to upper 80s today, so we'll see how that plays out. But back in the truck for another video, but going to do something a little bit different today too. Something I've been actually kind of debating the last couple of weeks, and just decided to go ahead and run with it today. See how it plays out. But we did just get done dumping a load of DDG in Lexington, Nebraska. Gonna head east, go back to Aurora, our favorite plant, and get a load of wet distillers, take it to a feedlot, and then see what the day has in store for us after that. But that's the plan, to carry us at least through the middle of the day or into the afternoon. So, but glad to have you along. Kick back, enjoy the ride, and be back to chat with you here in just a bit. Like I said earlier, I'm going to do something a little bit different today. Not sure how it'll work out, but my video, I'm going to do what I want. But I want to talk about something a little bit different, even though I am in the truck and I am hauling feed. But just wanted to share, I don't know, I guess some of the things that I see or my thoughts as I go down the road. Spend a lot of time in the cab and traveling up and down the highways, or in this case, the interstate. Tend to do a lot of thinking, which sometimes can be scary, but it is what it is. But as I go down the road and I'm thinking and I'm kind of looking at the scenery and watching what's going on around me, makes me kind of appreciate why I moved back to Nebraska a few years ago. One thing I missed when I lived in Arizona was the four seasons. Not the hotel, not the band, but the four weather seasons. In Arizona, we did have basically two seasons, summer and not quite summer. And there are some that would argue that here in Nebraska, you have maybe 6 or 8 seasons. But for the sake of argument today, we're going to stick with the basic 4 that we all kind of grew up with. And living here, I essentially have 2 favorite seasons. Spring, and I'll talk about that here in a second, but I also really enjoy fall. The reason I like fall, it's harvest time. The farmers are bringing in their crops, that reaping the rewards of their labor all summer, trying to grow a good crop, and hoping and praying that the prices will reflect that effort and they get good money for their crops. But I really enjoy spring too, and I'm not sure where we sit calendar wise, where they say what part of spring we're in. To me, we're still kind of in the early part. Temperatures are starting to get a little bit warmer, although we have been on a roller coaster here the last week or so. But just the landscape and the change in what I see. The trees are starting to get leaves on them. Still kind of that early yellow-green look. Soon it'll be that nice, deep, dark green of summer. The grass and the roadsides starting to turn green. Not really there completely yet because we haven't had a lot of rain, but hopefully that'll come soon. Seen alfalfa fields where they're really starting to turn green, come around. In fact, wouldn't surprise me if here before too long, some guys will start cutting and baling hay for the first time this year. Got the farmers out in the field fertilizing, putting seed in the ground, and venture to say that within a few weeks we'll start to see that real light blanket of green across the countryside. Look out into some of the pastures where you got cows and newborn calves that came within the last month, 2 months, somewhere in that neighborhood. If the weather's just right and the calves are in the right mood, you'll see them running around, jumping, playing. But I always just kind of look at all that and kind of look at the rebirth of the year, transitioning from kind of the bleak, dreary, short days of winter to more of the color infused time of spring. Not really sure how to explain it, but it's just something that I really enjoy. Shows that there is a rebirth for the year. Things are coming back around. Life's kind of restarting. Lets you know that God is working in His own way. Setting us up for hopefully another successful year. Like I said, it's just the things that I see and kind of how I process it. Right or wrong or indifferent. Just how I kind of take things in. But kick back as we go down the road, kind of share some of the scenery with you. We've still got about another, good 45 minutes to an hour at least over to Aurora. But again, just kind of wanted to share my thoughts, how I interpret the landscape and how things are going out here in rural Nebraska in the springtime. Have to get the obligatory, in this case, video of the archway as we go by. Don't know where that originated from, but one of the other drivers in our company said that every time you go under the archway, you got to take a picture. Now, I'm not taking a picture today, but we'll definitely get a video. Did have the opportunity to go up in there one time. It's a lot of neat historical stuff. Kind of cool to look down at the traffic going underneath on the interstate too as you're up in there. So if you're ever in the area of Kearney, Nebraska and have a few minutes to spare, stop in, take a look at it. It's really pretty interesting. Yeah, a little further east than where we were started out before, but you can tell they got a little bit more rain in through this area. We're actually a little ways east of Kearney, between Kearney and Grand Island, Nebraska. A little bit more green on the side. Some of the trees have a little bit more leaves further out west. So you can just kind of see where the storms from, I think it was a couple weeks ago, kind of dropped a little bit more rain in the area. Just love seeing everything starting to green up. Another thought popped into my head while I was going down the road related to talking about the seasons and stuff like that. I was going down the highway, staring out the window, or windshield, and just to think, my grade school teachers never said I'd amount to anything if all I did was stare out a window all day. and here I am killing it. But anyway, talked about how I really enjoy spring and everything else. But one aspect of it that I don't like, spring and summer, is bugs. I don't know if it shows up on video very well. When I left this morning, my windshield was clean. Cleaned it down good last night, wiped it all down, everything was good. Had to stop, about an hour or so ago and get fuel, and needed to clean my windshield again. And I probably haven't traveled 50 or 60 miles, and it's not bad right now by any means, but already starting to get bug splattered again. By the time I get ready to take off tomorrow morning, it'll be a mess. Guess it's just the one downside to having nicer weather is the bugs are going to come out and they want to play tag with my windshield. So, bad thing is the bugs always lose. Don't know how that works out. But just thought I'd share that thought also, just because I got talking about the seasons and how I enjoy springtime. So we, on a trucking note, we got over to Aurora, got the feed loaded, got it delivered down to the feed lot. So we're going to bounce back over to York. Not sure what they're going to have as far as amount of product, but we'll check with them, see what they got, see if there's anything I can get loaded, or if we're just going to have to kind of wait it out till tomorrow morning and go from there. So, well, somehow or another, I lost complete track of time the other day, but we have ended up at Friday afternoon. Guess one of those time warp deals or something, I don't know. But we are presently dumping what should be the last load of the week. Not 100% sure on that yet, but should be the last load that I got to haul this week. So we're getting ready to go clean the trailer out. Then we'll get everything closed up, folded up, head back to the farm. Gotta grease the truck. We'll fuel up. Probably wash, or not wash, but spray everything down. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so not worried about doing a real good wash on it, but at least want to spray the feed off. And probably call it a wrap for the week. But no, this was kind of choppy this week. I'll try to do better. But enjoyed having you along. As always, would love to hear your thoughts. Drop me a comment. Give the video a like, and always appreciate new subscribers. And also hit that notification bell. That way you know when I put a new video out. But again, enjoyed having you along. Hope you enjoyed the week. And look forward to seeing you on the next trip. Have a good one.